Hi, I'm excited to share my submission for the Runner AI Agent Prompting Challenge. I created a prompt that generates a beginner-friendly home network diagram, a Python script to monitor the network, and a fun Star Wars analogy to explain it all. Here's the full prompt I provided to Runner H. It asks for a simple text network diagram, a beginner-friendly Python ping script with comments, and a Star Wars-themed explanation. Generate a simple text-based network diagram of a home lab showing a router, switch, firewall, and 3 computers. Label each device clearly, like a map for beginners. Then create a beginner-friendly Python script that pings each device in the network and outputs a status report saying which devices are online or offline. Include comments in the code to help a beginner understand what each part does. Finally, provide a simple explanation using a Star Wars analogy about how this script helps check the shield generators of the network. Runner H immediately generated a clear text-based network diagram. You can see how each device, the router, firewall, switch, and PCs, is labeled and positioned to help beginners visualize the network structure. Next, it provided a Python script that pings each device's IP address. What I love is how each part is explained with comments, making it easy for beginners to follow how the script checks if devices are online or offline. The output shows the status of each device so you can quickly spot if something is down. Finally, Runner H gave me a Star Wars analogy, describing how this script is like sending out a scanner droid to check the shield generators of each device. If a ping succeeds, it's like confirming the shields are up. If not, it means that devices' shields are down, and you know where to investigate. Thanks for watching, and thank you Runner H for making this fun and accessible for learners of all ages.